안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Nora na, right? Okay, so exam ni mo ganihan Nora? Okay, so bagay lang ka naabot gikan school.
Yes.
Then musta ang self-study?
Okay siya kay kanang usahay kay ako ra usa magtulo sa mga students nako na wala man sila Chelsea sila siya usahay.
So ikaw na lang. Ikaw ra. Sa balay ra mo ninyo magkuan?
Ako ra.
So study hard. Musta exam? Okay ra? Good lisod eh.
Lisod gamay.
So since earlier wala man kano kay exam, buonim give you 1,500. Okay? Please receive.
Buonim
Samida. So study hard ha? Okay, study hard para makakuan. Na? So bye-bye. Fighting. Bye-bye.
Pasilidad na lalayan ng mas mahusay na edukasyon sa mga pag-aaral sa mata. Ito ay isang publiko.
안녕하세요. To the Active Korea subscribers and sponsors, to our education team leader, Chosun Lim, and to my sponsors, Caliber Lim and Lilac Lim, I would like to thank you so much for fulfilling my dream. Currently, I'm here in Manila having my baby as a licensed psychometrician. I'm very grateful to have encountered you. I'm very grateful that you helped me achieve this dream of mine, and thank you so much for helping me, for your constant support. Thank you so much from college until I received this license. Thank you so much. Fighting. Kamsahamnida.